So, Bitcoin enthusiasts, cryptocurrency experts, have you noticed all of them have vanished? Have you noticed none of the Bitcoin experts are they're not talking anything, they're not saying anything, even their videos are not showing up, they're not bragging anymore. Oh fuck man, I made $50,000 yesterday, oh shit, it's going to go. Remember how idiots like Cathie Wood, the CEO of ARK Investments, Bitcoin is going to go to $500,000. One Bitcoin, $500,000. Remember that? Remember all these celebrities, oh shit, it's going to go to the moon, it's going to explode. And then remember all these cum coin and what, ass coin and Australian secured some. Remember all this? That time what I told you? I told you that the media likes to find out what is a trending topic, what is a topic that has maximum engagement, controversy, even if it's not beneficial, even if it's not useful. But for the purpose of engagement, for the purpose of views, media channels will fuel the fire. Oh, Bitcoin is going to go to $100,000, $200,000. Like Cathie Wood. Oh, Shloy, she's a genius. What the fuck are you, man? She has achieved so much. Yeah, she has achieved so much because she is manipulating and playing with people. And that's how she gets a bonus and commissions. So, she said, no? See, I'm quoting Cathie Wood's own prediction. She said $500,000. One Bitcoin will be worth $500,000. So now you tell me, is she right? Then you'll say, Loy, but there is still time. Yeah, when? After 3 months, 6 months, 1 year, 2 years. Oh, we don't know, Loy. Loy, we don't know. Then shut the fuck up, no? Remember, El Salvador is the first official country to accept Bitcoin as its official legal tender. Yay! The Salvador parliament voted. Yay! What happened? Bitcoin prices went up, cryptocurrency price went up? No, nothing happened. Who wants to go to a impoverished country? A country where nobody knew the fucking name itself. Only during a football match they would remember the name. Where crime rate is so high, poverty is so bad. The president himself, like an idiot, puts a cap backwards and gives a presidential address. How can you take an idiot like that seriously? Oh, tender, eh? So what happened? They don't even have their own bloody currency which they trade in. They trade in dollars. They exchange in dollars. So nothing happened. How many of you are taking your Bitcoins to buy milk, coffee, pizza? Anyone? Nobody, right? Oh, Bitcoin, what the fuck you know, man? Hey, what the fuck you know? Yeah, El Salvador is a country. So what happened? Nothing, right? You remember below my videos, all these billionaires, millionaires, they were telling me, hey, what man, I made $50,000 yesterday. I made $100,000. Shit, man, every day they were making so much money. Now, silent, right? Now nobody is making money, it looks like. What happened? Who is he? I had asked you simple questions. Not one person gave a sensible answer. Can you use it as a currency? Where? You'll go to El Salvador and buy groceries. That's number one. Second one, what is the exact value? The value changes every time. Now it's stuck at what, 32 or 30? Who's buying? Who's selling? Nobody. Well, the only people who are doing it are hoping to make some money out of it. Oh, it's an investment. Yeah, what is the return that you're getting right now? Zero. Only when the price goes up, if it goes 60, you'll sell it and you may double. Maybe one Bitcoin you'll sell. Right now, now it's a time to buy. Now it's a time to... Yeah, the guys who have invested their life savings, the people who have companies where they benefit from Bitcoin or cryptocurrency, they will keep encouraging you. What happened to all these experts, man? All these experts, these gurus who had predicted it's going to go $100,000, it's going to go 200,000, 350, 280, $500,000. I remember when these Yahoo News and CNBC were taking interviews. Yeah, Bitcoin can go up to $10 million. I was like, yeah, one Bitcoin, $10 million. Imagine if a person has 100 Bitcoins. Fuck, man. Jeff Bezos, Elon Musk, all thrown out. What happened to Elon Musk? You used to take him seriously, right? Oh, Elon Musk is smarter than you, Loy. What the fuck are you, man? Elon Musk, yeah, what the fuck are you? Elon made his money. He bought cheap, he sold expensive, made his money. At your ignorance. See, this is a problem with blind obedience. You know, the cult-like following, sheepish mind. And when you talk to uneducated idiots who think they are smart. I remember one guy in UAE, he was lecturing me and telling me, lecturing means in the sense, wrote a long email. Loy, I was working as an employee. Today I started my own cryptocurrency exchange, whatever, blah, blah. I'm going to buy my new flat, a 3-bedroom. Loy, learn to accept there are people smarter than you. Very good. He purchased his flat, that also in UAE where he's not a citizen. When the price went up. Now what happened? Now where is he? Gone, right? Finished, right? This is the problem with dealing with people who want to believe their own bullshit. They will yap. And now silence. I can openly challenge you. Ask a Bitcoin expert, as they call it, what happened. Tell him how much money is he making. Right now, the Bitcoin, the people in it, how much money are they making? Coinbase, how many billions is it making right now? Nothing, right? It's a digital point. It's like, playing this game where you have points. The only difference between a game, at least a game is reliable. If I have 100 points, I know I have 100 points. But in Bitcoin or cryptocurrency, you don't know what is the value. And others were, and the best comment was, Loy, I know you missed out on the action. You must be crying tears. Poor thing, Loy. I understand your pain. What pain? I'm still making money out of my brand and career. What money are you making? Oh, Loy, I have multiple investments. Yeah, you can see, the thing is, you can keep bullshitting and convincing yourself. It's like, the best example I gave. You talk to a Muslim, he will tell you non-stop stuff about Quran. Talk to a Hindu, non-stop about how urine heals and urine is Ayurvedic, and scientists in USA have copied the urine therapy. And Christians, oh, Loy, have you experienced Jesus? He touched me, I actually touched. Yeah, I touch myself sometimes, but I don't want anyone else touching me. So our cryptocurrency experts finished. Story over. Now silence. Now what is going to happen is, for a couple of months, oh, here's my note. I'd written my notes and I dropped it. Now these cryptocurrency experts, they are not going to be important for the next couple of months until the next hype comes along. Then all of a sudden, all the news, oh fuck, cryptocurrency is going to the moon, and FTC regulations and this and that and stock market. And then like idiots, people will jump in, lose everything. The ones who have to make money will make. Hype will go. Finished. What happened to the largest Bitcoin conference? Wow. I'm sure they accepted payment in currency, not in Bitcoin. What happened to El Salvador? Elon Musk, I'll send this coin, that coin, come coin, doggy coin. Bitcoin experts, cryptocurrency, where are you guys? Where? Silence, no? Shh. Yeah. Make money, huh? $50,000 a day. Fuck, man, I made $100,000, yeah. How much money are you making now? Huh? 3 bedroom. 1 bedroom. I stay in 1 bedroom. And I pay maybe 1/30th what you pay. Who's smart? Anyway, let me know your thoughts. Cryptocurrency. Feel like laughing. Cryptocurrency. Anyway, until the bullshit sparks again and then news medias will jump into it because they're a trending topic. Until then, nobody gives a fuck. Let me know your thoughts. This is me signing off. You guys take care.